Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 5 best drone on Aliexpress. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Introducing the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone. The ultimate flying experience for those who demand only the best. Equipped with advanced features such as obstacle avoidance on 5 sides, an HD camera, GPS positioning, and multifunction homing, the P11 Siemens is designed to provide unparalleled stability and control. With obstacle avoidance on 5 sides, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone will steer clear of any obstacles in its path. Experience multifunction homing, trajectory flight, and active track, all controlled by the 5K remote control. The brushless electric machine ensures a smooth and efficient flight, while the drone's visual remote control allows for easy navigation. And with a flight time of up to 20 minutes, the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone is the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking footage on any adventure. With a 5K remote control and visual remote control system, you can easily operate the drone from a distance, allowing you to capture incredible footage from unique angles. The P11 Siemens also includes active track and trajectory flight modes, which allow you to effortlessly follow moving objects or pre-planned flight paths for the ultimate precision. Thanks to its brushless electric machine, the P11 Siemens can last up to 20 minutes of continuous use, giving you ample time to capture all your desired shots. Whether you're a professional videographer or just looking to capture stunning aerial footage, the P11 Siemens 8K Professional Drone is the ultimate tool for unlocking new perspectives. Are you ready to take your aerial photography and videography game to the next level? Introducing the L900 Pro F4K Professional GPS FPV Drone, the perfect tool for capturing stunning footage from the sky. This drone features a folding body that makes it easy to transport and store. Take it with you wherever you go and capture breathtaking views from above. Cut to a graphic of the drone's features. GPS/optical flow positioning, fixed point flight, smart follow-us, camera gesture, photo and video, V creative VIDEO 50X zone, brushless motor. The L900 Pro comes equipped with advanced features such as GPS and optical flow positioning, allowing for precise hovering and stable flights. You can also set fixed points for your drone to fly to, giving you full control over your shots. With Smart Follow technology, the L900 Pro will follow you wherever you go, capturing all the action from a unique perspective. The L900 Pro also features gesture photo and video capabilities, allowing you to take photos and videos with simple hand movements. No need to fiddle with buttons or settings, just wave your hand and capture the moment. And once you've captured your footage, use the MV Creative Video function to edit and enhance your videos with ease. Thanks to its 50x zoom, the L900 Pro can capture even the smallest details from a distance. With its powerful brushless motor, the L900 Pro is capable of stable flights and precise movements. So whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to capture some amazing footage, the L900 Pro F4K Professional GPS FPV Drone is a perfect choice. Get yours today and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the 5G 8K Professional Dual Camera HD Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its intelligent flight capabilities and flagship performance, this drone is designed to provide you with an unparalleled experience. This drone, equipped with intelligent obstacle detection technology, the drone can detect obstacles within 1.5 meters and avoid collisions. With one key control, taking off and landing has never been easier. The drone's headless mode means you don't have to identify the direction it's facing. And with 8K high-definition switchable dual lenses, you can capture stunning footage like never before. Thanks to real-time high-definition image return via 5G transmission, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery from up to 3,000 meters away. And with a long battery life of up to 30 minutes and a large capacity 1800 mAh battery, you can fly with ease and replace the battery conveniently. The drone's foldable body makes it lightweight and portable, perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. The GPS version also provides even more stability and control, making it ideal for professional use. With a charging time of just 60 minutes, you'll be back in the air in no time. The 5G 8K Professional Dual Camera HD Drone, your ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Are you ready to take your videography to the next level? Introducing the JC801 4K Professional Drone, an advanced drone with impressive features designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its 4K HD pixels, LED night light, and powerful motor, this drone is capable of capturing stunning footage even in low-light conditions. Plus, its smart hover technology ensures stable flight and prevents crashes and falls. The JC801 also boasts a long battery life, allowing you to spend more time capturing breathtaking footage. And with headless mode and one key return home, you can easily navigate your drone without worrying about losing control. Want even more control? The JC801 can be controlled from your smartphone, giving you access to features like trajectory flight, stunt control, and speed control. You can even use gesture photo to capture pictures without needing to touch your phone or remote. And once you've captured your footage, the JC801 makes it easy to edit and enhance with its HD video transmission and beauty filter. Plus, one-click takeoff and landing make getting started a breeze. Whether you're a professional videographer or just looking for an exciting new hobby, the JC801 4K Professional Drone has everything you need to take your skills to new heights. Introducing the 88 4K Dual Camera Folding Drone, your ultimate flying companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new heights. With its 4K HD pixels, you can capture breathtakingly vivid photos and videos from high above. And with its gravity control and speed adjustment features, you can maneuver the drone with ease. Need a different perspective? No problem. The 88 has dual camera switches to quickly switch views mid-flight. Want to fly hands-free? Use the trajectory flight feature to map out a predetermined route and let the drone take care of the rest. Control every aspect of the 88 with the mobile app. From air pressure fixed height to 4G signal, everything is just a tap away. Worried about taking off and landing? The 88 has a one-click takeoff/landing button for hassle-free liftoff and touchdown. Watch your aerial footage unfold in real time with the 88's HD video transmission feature. Show off your aerial skills with the 88's 360 degrees rollover feature. And when it's time to head back to base, simply hit the return home button and watch as the 88 comes back to you with ease. The 88 4K Dual Camera Folding Drone, your ultimate flying companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new heights. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.